Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today I am updating my 6-year-old iPhone SE 2020 to iOS 26.3 and I will show you the whole download process and installation process live. While it downloads, let's talk about what's new, whether it's safe to install, and if you should update right now or wait a while. Okay, so first, what's new in this update? iOS 26.3 is mostly a security and stability update. No new big feature included. There are some new wallpapers, small UI refinement, etc. And it also comes with 35 plus bug fixes and performance improvements. Privacy and system stability is also improved. Now, there's one important thing. Some newer iPhone, starting from iPhone 11, have a new Android transfer features, but this iPhone SE 2020 does not support it. So don't expect that feature here. So for iPhone SE owners, 26.3 update is all about security and bug fixes. Apple fixes multiple vulnerabilities, including some that could potentially be used in targeted attacks. That's why Apple usually recommends updating quite quickly, even if features look small. Security updates are always important, especially on older devices like this. Before installing any update to your any iPhone, charge your devices over 50%. As you can see, my devices only have 39% charge, so it's compulsory for me to connect the charger to my iPhone right now. Okay, I am charging my iPhone, then I will continue the video. Okay, yes, charger found, charging connected. Yes, my phone is charging. Then you must use stable Wi-Fi, and please back up all of your important data and make sure your iPhone has enough free storages. Okay, these steps help you avoid any kind of update related problems. Now, let's talk honestly. Older devices like iPhone SE 2020 may see temporary battery drain right after the update process. Then, minor bugs can appear initially. Don't be panicked. And no major new feature in this time. Liquid glass is probably the last major UI changes for this old iPhone. Now, after the download will be completed, the installation process will begin. The total process length is around 15 minutes. Don't press any button or forceful restart your device during the update is strongly prohibited. So overall, 26.3 is a security update. There will be some minor system improvements with no visual changes, but it's obviously recommended for safety. This is not a huge upgrade, especially on iPhone SE 2020. I will test battery performance and heating issues for you and share results after the installation. If you updated your iPhone SE 2020 to iOS 26.3, comment your experience below and don't forget to subscribe to Galaxy Station for more iPhone and Samsung updates. See you in the next video.